What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Maul.
And Sade.
And today, man, disclaimer. I'm gonna say the disclaimer, man. We know the song. We just still like getting lit to the song, though. Well, I know the song word for word. I'm not even sure she just know everything word for word. She know self-control word for word more than I do. But I think I know slime mentality more. Think so?
Yes.
But y'all clicked on the video. Y'all already know what it is. I ain't even tell y'all about it. So, ORP, man. We big Youngboy fans around here. But we finna get into this slime mentality and make Youngboy the GOAT.
My mama slime, my sister slime, my brother slime, my daddy slime, yeah, he slime.
Keep on, don't start all the extra stuff now. Move, because you wasn't doing all that for self-control.
So what?
No, you was
I
not.
was jamming. Why not? I ain't had his head on.
I'll make sure that these niggas see me through the headphones.
I'm cool, but
these pussy bitches just won't leave me alone. Crack you in your shit just to see what's on your mind.
she been man.
Yeah, she slime. Police on my ass, gotta watch the way I'm
You do too much.
Leave me alone.
down the easiest mind. Yeah.
I pull a acting in the photo.
Think my niggas with me in this bitch with bomb solo. And me sharing a sofa still a coming.
Kick your front door.
Geeking off that sofa, wildin' out, bitch, if you don't know. I'm telling you niggas, I drop a bag just to finish you niggas. He think it's done, but that's his ass, I'm gon' get rid of you niggas. At a show or anything, bitch, we gon' hit at you niggas. I want them all.
That's on my dog.
We gon' get at you niggas.
P.O. Blocking trying to catch
The
it.
nigga outside.
I'm thugging for real.
I tell you, bitch, I crossed the
I'm
line.
lined up, mine. This way down, 3 right on with that.
Glock 9, motherfucker, they clutching, they all in trouble, I'ma bust mine. Hold on, grew up in that fire, he came out of slime, he don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' nine. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit.
I'm slime.
Don't give a fuck about who they wrong.
And we gon' get them all. We ain't the one that rip. Hold up. Check out my murder man day.
Put on side, I'm dump 100 in a car. Boom, bow.
Catch you slipping in.
You ain't gon' see the mud.
This one.
Behind him, we dying hard.
I go by top, get out the top, I draw the sword. Everybody in here.
Slamming with a nigga, hey, they ain't no shit, they don't want no
Problems with it.
nigga. These hoes ain't shit,
I put a
Remy on a pillow, mention the op, I tell her stop until it fill up, bitch. Bro just wrote me in the message and I read it, what it said. Just talk you about your ex and then he dead.
I'm banging green, but I get mad and leave by pink.
I been that nigga, you gon' get that through your head, bitch. Yeah, been that fire, he came out of slime. He don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' nine. Take his ass up top like hot time. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong.
Cause we gon' get them all. We ain't the one to rip on.
Bitch, check out my murder man dance, look.
Hold on, the club really got a nice house. Like for real, but it ain't done.
I don't like the outside, but it's nice.
Why? It reminds me of
A Mexican home.
dude, no. It's like, no. I'm finna say, like in
Yes,
China.
No, that's the type of house that be in Mexico.
Yeah, rich folks live in, yeah.
Like it's a house in my neighborhood that look like that. You know that little pink house, that big old pink house that won't nobody buy? Yes.
Cause it's pink.
Yes, it's pink
That's
and
not-
it looks like a Mexican house.
It's not pink though.
Looks like it belongs in the
It's-
middle of Mexico.
I'll buy it. I'll live in it.
Well, go ahead.
You don't know how to look in the inside.
I just said I'm not talking about the inside. I'm talking about the outside.
Man, Youngboy the GOAT, man. I gotta let the video play out. She don't agree that he the GOAT right now, but cause it
I
ain't.
didn't say anything.
He the GOAT.
He came out of slime, he don't wanna talk cause you gon' die.
Which one of his songs on top though? Let's talk about that. Self-control.
Which one got more?
Not Slime
No.
Mentality. Y'all on Apple Music, Slime Mentality is not on top right now.
Listen though, which one got the most views?
Self-control
Which one got
is
the most views on YouTube?
Self-control is his best song
Everybody don't have
on
Apple
Apple
Music.
Music.
Which one got the most views? This
Like
15.
I said,
Self-control guy only got 9 million. This
Who
got
cares?
15 million.
who cares?
Yeah.
Yes, because he came out with this one first.
A week. What is a week? It's a week. A week difference.
Yes, exactly.
Man, it's not a week. A couple days different.
Exactly. He came out with this one right after he got out of jail, so of course everybody was going to listen to him.
Okay. So why everybody like self-control more than they do
Because
this one?
self-control is good.
It's not the best song he ever made though.
I ain't say it was the best song he ever made, but it's a good song.
Stop. What is this?
I don't know the ends of my hair. It belongs.
No, it don't belong at the top. Not the top. Not number one.
No, I didn't say not.
Probably number 10.
But it's better than Slime Mentality to me.
So Genie don't belong at number 1. Or Nicki
I
Minaj.
said, well,
Nicki Minaj belong
okay,
at number 1.
Nicki Minaj belong at number 1. No cap, because Nicki Minaj is my song. But
Exactly. This man is the GOAT. I don't care what nobody say. You can hate on him all you want to. What is he, Sade?
the GOAT.
He's the GOAT, man.
Period.
He ain't
I fully.
a GOAT. He's the GOAT of our generation. I don't care what nobody say.
My name is Sade Adams, and I approve of this message.
That's right. Everybody listen to him. If you don't like him, you really just a hater, bro. If you don't like this man at all, you really just a hater.
Yeah.
You really hating on this man really bad.
Youngboy's lit.
I don't care who you is.
He's super duper lit. I've been listening to him since he came out with
The
38 Baby.
The people like, you don't really rap about where he live.
He really do though.
Folks,
Maybe they should do some research on him and see what all he's done in life.
people don't be knowing, man. It's crazy.
Okay, it's a reason. Never mind.
But other than that, man,
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
turn on what?
The post notifications.
Yes, sir. Get us to what?
1,000
Yes.
subscribers.
Yes. We would
And
love
we
that,
also
man.
gonna do a giveaway. We told y'all we was gonna do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know why he ain't been throwing it up.
I'm sorry, I've been forgetting y'all. We'll do a giveaway.
We're gonna also do a giveaway. So y'all stay lit to all our subscribers.
We love y'all dearly.
And stay lit.
Yeah, man. We out of here.
And
Oops. I'm sorry.
and
Thought
we're out of here. You don't like my outro?